This is my review of the Vicks Dayquil cough suppressant, and it says effective relief for dry cough up to 8 hours. This one is peach flavor and it's alcohol free, which is awesome, and antihistamine free. Essentially what you do is this acts like a little cup, and as you can see, it has measuring levels on the cup. So you would just go according to dosage depending on if you're an adult or a child. So you just take off the top, pour it in there according to dosage, and then you just drink it like any other type of medicine. This one's great for daytime because you don't feel, super sleepy, and I've taken it when I've gone to work to help with my cough. Hope that's helpful.